Today we are making a creamy mushroom soup. On medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the butter is melted, add 1 small diced onion and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until onions are translucent. Stir occasionally. Add 1 teaspoon minced garlic, stir, and cook for 1 minute. Add 1½ pounds of sliced baby bella mushrooms. Clean or wash mushrooms first, pat dry if needed. Give it a quick stir and reduce heat to medium. Add 1 teaspoon of ground thyme. You can also use dry thyme or fresh thyme. It's completely up to you. Salt and pepper to taste, just a small pinch. You can add more later if needed. Cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix until completely combined. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often. Add 1/4 cup of cooking sherry, stir, making sure you scrape the bottom of the pot. Add 3 cups of the broth of your choice. We use chicken broth. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of better than bouillon beef flavor. The better than bouillon is optional but adds a lot of flavor. Give it a quick stir. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. We tempered the cream by mixing in some of the hot liquid from the soup before adding it to the pot. This prevents the cream from curdling. Allow soup to come to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, turn off your heat and allow it to cool. You are ready to serve. Enjoy!